Lauren.
I'm Wanda.
And we are FlyBlack.
Yes.
Right now we are in Montreal.
Getting ready for Paris.
Yes, it's a 3-hour layover, so we just decided to do a quick video and just kind of catch you guys up because we didn't really do anything actually leaving Denver, which is where we reside.
Yes.
But yeah, so we're hoping to have a lot of content for you guys and just kind of
show you the world.
Exactly.
The Black experience.
Yes.
The minority experience.
So FlyBlack, we want to be able to let people know, and specifically minorities, that they can travel and that it is something that can be done. Like, you don't have to always say, oh, I can't do it, it's too expensive, it's this, it's that. There's so many different deals out there, so we'll definitely be doing like deal alerts and let you guys know when there's a good deal, and if you're able to do it, hop on it because the prices fluctuate so much, but you can definitely catch it.
We'll be talking about like how to set yourself up to travel, so what's it like to get a passport, visas,
all of that
good stuff. Because all that is hard for people, but we're gonna make it easy for y'all.
It's really not even that hard.
It's not hard, but we know it's not hard. We'll just make it easy for y'all. We'll explain it.
Exactly. So yeah, I don't know, is there anything else you wanted to say?
Just keep looking out for the content.
Yes.
Follow us on Instagram. We'll put the
link down below.
In the link, yeah.
We'll have all of that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of those amazing deals that we'll be posting and letting you guys know. There's so many other services out there that also do help out with that. So we just wanna put y'all on.
Yeah.
Like,
y'all
you
get ready.
can do it.
Get ready for this world tour.
Like, the last time we were in Paris, we spent $334 for a round trip ticket to Paris.
So we're going to talk about how to do that.
Paris. Exactly.
We're going to tell you how to get them tickets.
You can do it, yes. China, if you want it.
Australia, $600 round trip.
Exactly.
I mean, those are the deals. That's what we own. So we're going to give y'all that.
Yes, so we're super excited to show you our journey, and we're just going to be kind of traveling the world here, and we just want to bring you guys along so you can kind of experience it this way, and then we're hoping that you guys get so excited from seeing what we're doing that you want to do it too.
Yeah.
So
right,
just keep a lookout for our content. Don't forget to subscribe, and like One Love said, we'll have our Instagram down below and the link.
Get ready.
Yes. Bye.